In 1970, a terrorist group brought Canada to its knees with two simple kidnappings. The FLQ had a plan that would shake the nation to its core. First, they snatched British diplomat James Cross from his Montreal home, then Quebec Minister Pierre Laporte. Their demands: $500,000 in gold and the release of their imprisoned comrades. This wasn't amateur hour. The separatists used multiple safe houses, coded messages, and had been watching their targets for weeks. Prime Minister Trudeau's response was unprecedented. He declared martial law, suspended civil rights, put soldiers on the streets of Quebec. Then the kidnappers crossed a line that shocked the world. They murdered Pierre Laporte. The manhunt that followed was massive. Over 400 suspects arrested. Police powers like Canada had never seen. After 60 days, they found Cross alive. His captors were given safe passage to Cuba, but the damage was done. Canada had come face to face with domestic terrorism, and it would never be the same.